Treating a child with cerebral palsy can indeed pose various challenges for physiotherapists. Cerebral palsy, CP, is a group of neurological disorders that affect movement and coordination, often resulting from damage to the developing brain. The challenges in treating a child with cerebral palsy include diversity of symptoms. Cerebral palsy manifests in various ways, leading to a wide range of symptoms and functional limitations. Physiotherapists need to address the unique needs of each child, as the severity and combination of symptoms can vary significantly. Multidisciplinary approach. Effective treatment often requires a multidisciplinary team, including physiotherapists, occupational therapists, speech therapists, and sometimes orthopedic specialists. Coordination among these professionals is crucial for a comprehensive approach. Early intervention. The earlier intervention begins, the better the outcomes tend to be. Physiotherapists may face challenges in identifying and starting treatment early, especially in regions with limited access to healthcare or where awareness about cerebral palsy is lacking. Long-term commitment. Treatment for cerebral palsy is often a long-term process, requiring consistent and sustained effort over the years. Physiotherapists need to develop strategies that can adapt to the child's changing needs as they grow. Parental involvement. Successful treatment often involves active participation from parents or caregivers. Physiotherapists may need to educate and empower parents to continue exercises and activities at home, requiring ongoing communication and support. Individualized programs. Physiotherapists must create individualized treatment plans based on the child's specific impairments, strengths, and goals. This requires ongoing assessment and adjustment of therapeutic interventions. Emotional and psychological considerations. The emotional and psychological well-being of both the child and their family is crucial. Physiotherapists may need to provide emotional support, address concerns, and collaborate with mental health professionals when necessary. Access to resources. Availability of resources, such as specialized equipment, therapy centers, and assistive devices, can vary widely. Physiotherapists may need to work within resource constraints, finding creative solutions to enhance the child's mobility and independence. Educational inclusion. Facilitating inclusion in educational settings can be challenging. Physiotherapists may need to collaborate with educators to ensure that the child's physical needs are met in the school environment. Staying informed. Keeping up to date with the latest research and treatment modalities in the field of cerebral palsy is crucial for physiotherapists. This helps them provide the most effective and evidence-based care for their patients.